Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. So today, I want to show you guys exactly how to fly a quadcopter. And we're going to be using the JJ RC-H26, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. But before I do that, watch the whole video. The video is comprised of mainly 3 parts. The unboxing is very important that you know what comes in the box. The tutorial, exactly my tips and tricks to get you to fly your quadcopter. And then I just want to show you guys exactly how good a fly this bird is and show you guys some footage from the actual camera of the bird. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell notification. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so this is the JJ RC-H26. This is your typical drone unboxing. Everything that you're going to see inside of this box is what you normally would get in a quadcopter, a new quadcopter. Now this is sort of on the larger side of quadcopters, but again the principles remain the same. So now we have the box open, guys. Check your box to make sure that your user manual did not fall in there. Usually it comes on top of the drone, but a lot of times it falls inside of your box. Now let's talk about the user manual. First time drone owners, or even if you've been an avid flyer, most drones are different. Make sure you read your user manual. It gives you tons of helpful information, such as how to bind the drone, how to calibrate the drone, how to charge the drone, any helpful information concerning your controllers, and it also shows you how to trim your drone in case it starts to drift. Tons of helpful information. This drone especially, you want to pay attention to the user manuals because there's a certain way you have to mount the blade guards and the camera and also the blades. Alright guys, for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and speed everything up. Typically when you get a drone, you usually have your landing gears. As you can see here, you have your blade guards. These blade guards are a little bit different because they have lights and you have to plug them in. So pay special close attention if you decide to get this drone here. I'm going to leave it in the description of the link. You have your battery charger, a nice screwdriver. You have some screws to go ahead and secure your blade guards, guys. And you have a screw to secure your camera. Also inside of here you have your gears. Now this is unusual because usually your gears are already loaded inside of your quad, but this one you have to load it yourself. And this is the camera. The camera have a couple of wires. It have a nice lens to it, and the reason why you have 2 wires, one is the power source and the other wire is for you to control the camera up, down, left, right. I do want to take a little time to focus on the controller. This particular controller right here, you can see all of the different buttons that have on a controller. This is to control my altitude. That is for headless mode, return home. That is to control my camera. That is for my trim. This is for video. This is for my different rates. And in the back, you see that it takes 4 AA batteries. So make sure you have all of your controls down pat on your controller before you fly. So here's the drone, guys. Now this is plain Jane, nothing on it. We have to connect everything, but I just want to show you guys. You take out the top, you have this battery. This is a fairly big battery. As you see, I'm showing all the connections right there. One connection is connected to the drone, the other one is for charging. This is a fairly big battery, as I was saying, 1200 milliamps, because this is a big drone. And this battery will get you anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes of flight. Excuse me for not being so precise. The instruction manuals will give you the precise flight time. However, I don't think I would get that amount of flight time out here because it's powering the big drone, plus it's powering the camera. Remember, the camera is driven with those motors, up, right, left, down. It can move. Alright guys, I got everything put together and I promise you we're about to go outside and fly. But I just want to show you guys how it looks when it's all put together. Now, the struggle that I had with this is that usually a lot of these parts already come assembled on a drone, but I had to assemble it myself. I had to actually put the blades on, put the guards on, screw it down, and you know, typically the only thing you have to add is your prop guards, but again I had to add the gears and everything like that. So this is kind of unique in that sense, but everything is connected, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on and show you guys all of the lights. You can see it have some nice lights, guys. Look at that, nice bright lights. And remember, those lights are draining the battery, so just be cognizant of that, keep that in mind. But man, don't just look like it would be a great night flyer. Alright, we have everything set up, guys. Let me take you right outside. We're going to learn how to fly a drone. Let's go ahead and get this thing in the air. The first thing we want to do is turn it on. I'm going to turn on our controller also. Now you can bind drones different ways. Typically it's either both sticks in or both sticks out. But the most common way, just as this drone is bind, is your left stick up and down, and it's going to bind. Alright. So now that we bonded to the drone, we're just about ready to go. But I want to show you guys this drone is unique because the camera actually moves. So that's kind of unique right there. Let's get it in the air. Lesson number 1 is put the drone in the air and practice on your hovering and see if you need to trim it out. Okay, so once you have your hovering, you want to just practice putting it in the air and landing, putting it in the air and landing. Lesson number 1, hover, putting it in the air and landing. You want to repeat this process repeatedly. Hover, land, in the air, land, in the air, land. Focus on your hovering, focus on your landing. Do not attempt to go all out, guys. You want to master this beginning part first. After I spend some time practicing going up and down and hovering, then I want to attempt to go forward, land, and backwards. Forward, land, backwards, forward, land, backwards. And you can see the struggles when you have a new quadcopter. You just want to repeat this process until you get used to that landing motion. Every quadcopter is different. Forward, land, back, land. Okay, so we learn how to hover, we learn how to go forward and back and land. Now we want to fly a box. So you want to go forward, side, back, side, forward. Now I recommend that you usually land when you go front, then you go side, land in between. But because it's windy today, guys, I didn't want to crash the quadcopter. But you want to fly a box. Forward land, side land, back land, other side land. You know, you get the gist of it. And repeat. Alright, you're just about ready to fly, guys. So now I want to show you guys how to fly a box using orientation. So you're going to yaw using your left stick. So in this particular exercise, I'm pressing the left stick right slightly until I see my quad face the right direction. And then with the right stick, I press forward. Then I press the right with the left stick again to the quad is facing me, and then I press forward. I press right again using the left stick until it's sideways or parallel to me. I press forward, right again until the camera's in the front and the back is towards me, and I press forward. And now I'm flying a box using orientation. Now that you spend a couple of days and a few batteries practicing those techniques, you're probably ready to get up in the air and fly. This is going to show you guys a little video of me flying the JJRC H26. I think it is a great beginner drone since it's very durable, and also it has 2 different rates where you can go from beginners to advanced, and also the camera can adjust up and down, guys. I'm also going to show you guys some video clips that I took filming the camera. It's no DJI Mavic, but it is a great drone for beginners. So sit back and enjoy. Alright guys, welcome back. So hopefully that tutorial allow you to get in the air faster. When I first started out, I lost a couple of drones and I crashed a couple of them. I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I learned over the years in flying these things. And the JJRC H26 is a great beginner bird, as I said in the video, guys. Great controller. As always, thanks for coming to my bathroom and helping me review my gadgets. Until next time, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to leave a link for this drone in the description if you guys want to go ahead and use this as your beginner drone. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.